get ready for dancing with It's the Dance for Me and Me.
Hey, dance family.
Hello.
We are back. And in this section or this segment, we are not actually demoing any moves. We are explaining some important key concepts. This is the rules of lanes and the rules of turning. We will probably come back to these things again, but we want to make sure we explain these things to you as we're starting off first and foremost. As we get to more advanced stuff, we want to let you understand why we're actually doing some of the things we're doing. The first one is the rule of the lane. As we dance, most importantly, as the follower dances, whoever happens to be following, Tonya or myself, because some days I'll follow while she leads. The follower makes the lane. Wherever the follower is and the follower is moving when we do that ballroom up, that is the lane. Some people like to call it the track. Some people like to call it the slot. Whatever it is, between the follower's shoulders, that straight line, some people like to call it the north-south. That is a sacred spot. It is a special spot. And as they dance, they're supposed to stay inside that lane, stay on those railroad tracks, stay on that track, stay in that slot. They're supposed to be dancing straight. It is not a diagonal thing. No, they stay in the lane. And all the moves, for the most part, are done in the lane. When they're not in the lane, we'll probably say something about it, let you know, oh my gosh, we're out the lane. So the lane is represented by where the follower is. Later on, when we get into leads and follows, the leader will actually dance around the follower, respecting the follower's lane. But as a follower, or as we're practicing now, everybody, as we practice, we need to be trying to make sure we practice walking straight up and straight back. As we ballroom up, we want to stay in that lane. As we have turn, we want to stay in that lane. We're still in the same lane. As we full turn, we want to stay in this lane. Be in this lane. So we should still be in this same lane. This is important so we don't crash into each other on the dance floor. Because if people are dancing crooked, it gets real ugly real fast. So we want to respect the lane. Very, very important concept. The lane, the railroad track, the slot, whatever they like to call it, the leader has to respect the follower's lane. The second concept that's very important, the rule of turns. As we go on, we're going to be going through, fancier and fancier turns, but the rule of turns works like this. If your right leg is back, anytime you do any move that does a turn, you're going to turn to the left. So it's like your leg comes forward, takes you through that turn. If your left leg is back, when you turn, any turn we do is going to take us to the right. So right now we learned the half turn. If my right leg is back and I half turn, I'm going to start with my half turn going to the left. And then when I go back, I'm going to go back. The half turn is going to go to the right. So if I switch this, then my half turn would go to the right because my left leg is back. And again, going back, I will go the opposite way to my left because my right leg is back. That is very important because if you notice that when we did the full turn demonstration, we did 1, 2, 3, full turn, and we go back. If our right leg was back, we would do it again in the same direction. We would go, and then we would keep on going, forever being super, super duper dizzy. And we don't want to be super duper dizzy. So when we're trying to figure out which way to turn, it really depends on which one of the followers' legs are back. So whenever we're stepping, we say step. There's supposed to always be a difference or variation in the legs, because that's how we know the move ended. So we've always saying, hey, we're going to start with the right leg back, and then when we end with the right leg back, that's to let us know the move is over. and it helps to set us up for whatever's coming next, especially the turns. Because like, oh, my leg back, then I know the next turn has got to be to the left. So that is the rule of the lane. Those are the rules of turning. Those are very, very important concepts, because as you're practicing this move, we want to make sure you're practicing staying inside of that lane, going in a straight line. When you're turning inside that lane, staying inside that straight line. When you turn inside that lane, staying in that straight line. We want to make sure you're there in that spot. And then when you do the turn, that you turn the way you're supposed to, according to whatever leg you started back. So practice, practice, practice. But while you're practicing, remember those rules, because practicing these things now will make you a better dancer later on. People ain't gonna be scared to dance with you because you just be drifting all kind of crazy left and right, bumping in the books. Like, nah, we wanna keep it nice, straight, and organized. So I just want to take a brief moment to explain those rules and give them to you. So tell you, keep on practicing. You can do this. Why? Because it's the dance for me and you.